So you know that the area of liner that you need is 298.3 feet squared. So you've got a lot there. You're not going to use the 25, you're not going to use the 50. It's going to be the 75 and the $11.25 for 75 feet of liner. So we need to figure out how much of this we're going to need. So you have to do 298.3 divided by 75. How many of these 70 groups of 75 are we going to need? And that gives you 3.977, and then there's a bunch of numbers after this. So you have to figure out, if I need almost 4 of those, I'm going to take the 3.977 and multiply it by the cost for each 75 feet squared of liner. So 11.25 times the 3.997 gives you $44.74, and that's your answer.